What is generative AI?
Generative AI is a type of AI that can create a wide variety of data such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models.
How does generative AI create a wide variety of data, such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models?
It does this by learning patterns from existing data, then using this knowledge to generate a new and unique outputs.
Where can generative AI be used?
Generative AI is capable of producing a highly realistic and complex content that copy human creativity, make it valuable tool for many industries such as gaming, entertainment, product designing, solving complex problems, and even assist in scientific research.
How generative AI improve productivity?
Generative AI has changed how we do things. Generative AI future is bright and it is shaping many areas, bringing creativity and progress.
What are the applications for generative AI?
Text generation. Application ChatGPT, Google Bard are a successful platform that uses text generation to generate human-like responses. Image generation. Applications such as Midjourney and DALL-E are popular choice for image generation. Video and speech generation. Applications such as DeepBrain and Synthesia utilize video and speech generation to create realistic video content that appears as if a human was talking on camera. Many more. Generative AI has a range of applications that go beyond text, video, image, and speech generation.
Thank you for watching. I kindly request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video.